Okay, Arizona, I opened that can and I'm an idiot. I did not record it and there was something really disgusting in there. So here's a new one. Unopened, just opening it now. Let's see what's in that. Oh God, what is that? Oh God, this has it too. That is so disgusting, guys. This is what I swallowed and I'm still sick. That's disgusting. What is that? Oh my God. This is like the entire case, guys. I bought 7 12-packs and all of them so far have that disgusting thing. I mean, what the hell is that? Just so you can see. Oh God, this is what I swallowed. What is that? I'm still sick to my stomach. Oh, gross. Arizona, dude. Swear to God, it's disgusting.